Auckland Light Rail has survived the Prime Minister's policy purge after speculation it would be axed. But as Zane Small reports, it's still another 2 years until building plans will be complete.
This is how light rail works in Dublin, a glimpse of what could be for Auckland City. But a dream that's seemed increasingly unlikely amid cost of living crisis reprioritising. This was earlier this month.
The Prime Minister's asked all ministers to look across their portfolios.
Today, though, a change of tune from the Transport Minister, announcing that light rail is going full speed ahead.
We'll support our regions, we will rebuild after Cyclone Gabrielle, but we're also going to look ahead to the future.
Overseeing the first physical work taking place at Gribblehurst Park in Sandringham. The drilling rig here will dig the first of 30 holes up to 80 metres deep along the proposed light rail route to gather geotechnical data. The very first shovel in the ground. But it's been a long road to get there. In 2017, Labour promised light rail from the CBD to the airport within a decade. But after unsuccessful bids to build it and New Zealand First pulling the handbrake, plans stalled. And despite tens of millions of dollars spent on consultation, in 2021 Labour decided to start from scratch. Last year, the government let Dominion Road off the hook, finally deciding on a partially tunnelled option. Underground from the CBD to Mount Roskill, and then above ground following State Highway 20 to the airport. Treasury warned it could reach up to $30 billion.
This is not the time to spend $30 billion on a light rail project. This has been a debacle of a project from the beginning.
We don't expect it to be anywhere near that, and in fact I expect to see further efficiencies as we work through the detailed design process.
But that detailed plan won't come until the end of next year, and then there's how to pay for it.
We're going to work through those issues as a part of the budget process.
The plan is to eventually link it up with the City Rail Link, creating an integrated transport network. Because with Auckland's population tipped to reach 2 million by 2030, good public transport is going to be even more of a necessity. Zane Small, Newshub.